provided that the impugn order dated 12/1/2024 and all consequential action thereof affecting the trial status of the petitioner, including the order of cancellation of such certificate, shall remain suspended till disposal of the writ.
Mazur.
Hello. Hey, good afternoon. Yes.
I beg for take of additional affidavit. Matter is the overall. May I please I have filed one ILOT which is which connected with item number 1 2 more 3. So that's it. Directed to pick up my account with
After you.
my account has been at a time. My salary is credited with my account. I got proof hard by
Hard of
settlement.
Wait, Procedural. Look, I beg to mention item number 2 of your lawsuit daily listen. There are some major typographical mistakes in the writ petition. If your lordship allows me, I may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with a liberty to refile it. Item number 2.
easy to remedy.
There are some mistakes, my lord.
The mistake we understand. Now we are becoming executing court of a magistrate.
My lord, in fact, that was not the relief sought for.
But that is the case.
Typographical error.
There was a dispute of a tree coming to the house of somebody. And magistrate has passed some order as per seeking a report. And now we'll have to direct the magistrate or the police
Hello.
to give a report.
Only thing we wanted, my lord, that we had filed we had asked for redressal of our grievance before several authorities, but everybody is keeping silent, my lord. Since 2016, this problem has been.
The Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be permitted to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file a fresh petition as there are certain defects in the priori data.
Deeply.
Wait. Dr. P. Ahmed was allowed because the medical we are unable to come to court. The other parties have asked me to access the court. Today morning only they have taken. Can it be taken up? First speak of it.
The prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner has shown as it is the second week of
My lord, item number 31, ma'am. My lord, I am going to file an affidavit, ma'am, in opposition. So, affidavit.
Who are you?
Call for, ma'am.
Huh? What? You have filed an affidavit already?
Yes.
Yes.
Not already, my lord. I am going to file the affidavit
Oh,
today.
going to file difficult. If you had filed already, then we will adjourn it.
Yes.
Wait for some.
Yes. Day after tomorrow, if possible.
Day after tomorrow, I will not come.
Or any date. Oh, sorry, ma'am. It is a holiday. Next
You
week,
have
ma'am.
filed it. It will come on next
Yes, ma'am.
next week automatically.
Yes.
Okay. Have you taken consent from the other side?
My lord, I have
Wait for some time.
Yes.
Wait for some.
I have informed them, my lord.
You have informed.
Yeah, I have informed that I will mention the matter, my lord.
For okay, you wait for some time.
Wait, Your Lord. Your Lordship, in item number 52, we have filed an additional effect. That may be called for. Item number
Item number
50. Supplementary.
what is that motion?
Yes.
You are for?
I am for the petition.
Yes, an instruction received. Mr. Sharma,
My Lord,
52, 53.
my Lord, I am saying for
Item 53, we have received submission.
Okay, call it. Do you want some additional one?
Right.
So we'll take this matter after sometime. After your affidavit comes.
Wait, please, your lordship, with due consent of the exercise, I beg to mention item number 1 and 35 of the daily list number.
1 and
35, my lord.
yes.
We are awaiting instructions in this matter, my lord.
But with item number 1, format is not the bit, even though they are represented. I would say that the format is.
This matter is pending since 2021.
But I'm praying for some more time.
To what? To file affidavit.
File
Let the notice go. Okay. Return. In the meantime, the finance department may file their.
But if item 4 to 7, they listed on 9 feet 24. That reserve the matter for judgment.
Which
Uh,
one?
31, 19 feet,
Item number?
not today. It was of, Nine.
JNRC.
no, Lord, it's the Indian Oil Corporation.
Okay.
We were about to keep up judgment.
Ha.
Keep the copy of the article.
Okay. Keep.
Take
45. Why you want an adjournment?
it up.
It's not available. Okay. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned. We listed after this. Yes.
But the fixing of a letter for which was
It's clear.
Yes.
Very hard.
Hmm.
Great. It's up. The date is after date. 65 plus. But it's after date. At the success law abiding start.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see. You wait. We'll see.
I pray for
We do not know. We have not seen 2 yet. Who knows? We'll reach 2 or not. Wait for it. Yes.
Sorry, man.
Yes.
Item number 9 is possible for that.
Now, executing court. Money decree.
Right.
Who is decree is passed against whom?
Right.
Decree is passed against whom?
Decree passed in Takarawa
Against whom?
against the respondent.
Who is that
Respond-
respondent?
Respondent number 4.
What is the identity of the respondent number 4?
Right.
What is the identity of the respondent number 4? Is it a instrumentality of the state?
It is a seaboard tea industry.
Tea industry. Now, how a writ is maintainable even forget about that it is against an execution of a decree.
They have not yet executed.
So, can a writ court issue a order for execution?
It was
You will have to. We'll
Pass
dismiss
over.
it.
pass.
No pass over.
And either petitioner will be allowed to take as far as
That we will pass that order
appropriate
when the matter is.
appropriate order.
Yes.
That's why item number 1, to notice, but there is an interim order.
We'll see that.
He was allocated vote for construction of 20 bedded community health center, my lord, in Valpadi.
Mm.
I ordered it. 17/2023. That is, my lord, page 58 allotment order.
Now, have you completed the work?
No, my lord. Before completing, my lord, some one order was passed that there is some anomalies, so you stopped the work.
Huh.
But subsequently, I prayed for times and again, what is the anomalies? Kindly identity inform. Otherwise, I am ready to rectify. But that was not done. Subsequently, issued an order that is Annexure 7, my lord, that stopped the work. Thereafter also, times and again, I
Annexure page?
page, my lord, 65, Annexure 7.
Now, what happened? Any joint inspection?
So till today, no any inspection has done, and neither subsequently I have filed another application, my lord, Annexure 9, page 68, for resume the stop order. But that was not also done. That is page 58.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi. Let the notice go.
Notice,
He's,
notice
he's,
go.
let
Only thing,
notice
my
go, you take your stand.
only he's
According to
concerned with
him,
the amount, man.
Huh?
He's concerned with the amount, man.
Ah.
Whatever is executed.
So-
You can apply.
it's the the present petition is filed with a grievance that the petitioner has not been paid certain amount for execution of contract work under the respondent's issue notice for its
They need meant to be met by the
Again,
Let-
well, public work.
this is a issue. You have not challenged that order. Stoppage of work. Your payment is the issue. Pendency shall not be a part. Consider.
Three appears the help, but
Okay.
one is the Union of India.
Union of India. For it's a
I pay
Apply.
for 4, 7, and 8. He will for 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10.
yes, next case.
oblige. People lost in organized of back
Hmm.
they are registered organized and they are supplying back for opinion for the harmonization. So
Why
they-
don't you file an FIR against him? What kind of order? You have no, this is a kind of a criminal action. According to you, some union has stopped you from operating. They have pretended you. Where is your statement that you have approached police and police has not taken any action?
Hello, I
What deputy commissioner?
hello, is the concerned authority to look after all those options. Where then he allowed my lord both the union were
Where is your statement?
file. Hello, page 12. Hello, page 9. Para 12. Substitute page 14. There, that, the last of it, I understand whatever, but
Paragraph?
figure 12, man. Page 9. Man.
difficult. Your whole case is that this is an illegal syndicate, forcefully restrained, and you file a representation before the deputy without approaching police.
lord,
We
sir,
may,
but-
we can say, we can even ask them for status report. What deputy commissioner will do?
the deputy commissioner is the competent authority. Matter to all these affairs. As matter he
So
allows
now
us
deputy commissioner will look after the market,
to meet the
the forceful restraint also.
matter that deputy commissioner has verbally allowed us both matter.
That's why we are asking you, where are those statements? On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, the matter stands adjourned and will listed after.
My lord, document can be that on Friday I will file an additional application regarding all those apart. I oppose to that.
No, this is not a way
Yes,
to
my-
file a
I-
writ petition.
I oppose. Document on what witness next.
Next statement.
Problem.
Yes, Mr.
এই এখন দেখুন একটা কপি নাই এটুতে পড়া এটুতে পড়া
Okay, that has been done.
We went to this department, they said that we don't have, but now in terms of the notification, it's there. Only thing is that we'll approach the authority. They will only dispose it within a time frame. They will not keep it pending. We'll approach it within 1 week from.
The,
that instructions may be kept as a part of
Okay.
it.
okay. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to non-constitution of maintenance tribunal and vices under maintenance and welfare of parents and senior citizens Act 2007. The further grievance of the petitioner is that, where is that grievance?
Page 17, that's it, quote unquote.
Grievance,
17 and 18.
further grievance of the petitioner is that the children of the petitioner, son of the petitioner, the petitioner has approached the authorities. The petitioner petitioner is aggrieved by certain action of his son
And daughter.
and daughter-in-law, and accordingly, on instruction, Mr. Sharma submits that by notification dated 2nd of August 2008, the tribunal has already been constituted and all the district social welfare officers of Assam has been notified as maintenance officer in their respective district. Full stop. In that view of the matter, Mr. Kaur, learned senior counsel, submits that a direction may be issued to the competent authority to dispose of the grievance of the petitioner. That is this dispose of grievance of the petitioner. As the tribunal has, as the maintenance tribunal has already been constituted, the petitioner shall be at liberty to approach such tribunal raising grievance. In the event the grievance is uh, raised, the same be considered and disposed of as per law within within a reasonable time. No, this is difficult to impose a time limit.
No, but
And
they keep it
And
pending.
you know
my lord.
the law, Supreme Court has time and again said that don't fix the time, because we do not know how much they are having the business.
Nothing. We
No,
went to the,
that we do not know.
well, we inquired, but
No, we know that, but
Okay.
suppose in fact in civil court and whether criminal court, we
expeditiously
express it within a reasonable time that
keep the,
dispose.
and if you agree, my lord, we can negotiate.
Definitely, no.
That's
Needless to say that petitioner shall be. No, that is not necessary, Mr. Yes, next.
that may again be treated as an that down again.
Suppose your thing is this closed. Suppose we do not observe that. Will your repetition or whatever remedy will be barred?
Or that. Oh.
Then we'll have to see everything. What is your remedy? What is not? Then we'll have to quote that. You will have a liberty, the remedy. Yes.
Yeah.
I've written to the deputy commissioner, my lord,
Hmm.
the district commissioner, my lord, I'm yet to receive instructions. I sent a scanned copy also on 18th of March. Well, first,
And
just a couple of
as
things.
Sharma, Learned Council for the Learned Council representing the district commissioner to brief submits that those he has communicated to the district commissioner, however, she is yet to receive such instruction. Accordingly, press for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. However, it is made clear that if by the next date such instruction is not received, this court may direct personal appearance. Please this matter. After we give a date. After we. 22nd.
All right.
Let us wait.
My lord,
These methods we can dispose it of.
Yes.
If we get the instruction.
All right.
so I am pray that an extra copy may be given to
Give an extra copy. Yes, give extra copy. The petitioner will furnish an extra copy to. Sir. Yes,
Of a partition method and protection of the order dated 24 as by the signature. Here my thought, what on 3/1/2024 on content with the part wherein excel with the traffic concept problem of knockout, they have shipped all the bus from outside the municipal area. Accordingly, the did not have constructed a new bus set outside the municipal area. But my lord, the district has on 2/2024 published an order, passed an order that is number 21. And by that order, my lord, the no entry point is fixed at my lord Singet, which inside the municipal area. Other four are outside the municipal area, but inside the municipal.
now what to do?
My lord, that order may be modified, my lord, because I have constructed the opinion agent. I have constructed the.
We'll issue a notice at that time. See, we cannot see to her for this discussion.
But all the buses are now outside the municipal area, but this gets inside the.
This is an order under in excess of what power?
But, but for
144. So it is only for temporary. 2 months. There may be necessity. Staying away is a reasoned order.
May
Again, one case will be dumped.
short notice may be issued, will get instruction. In fact, my lord may fix the matter in a motion stage.
Or my lord may direct the respondent to of the
What represents? This is a order under 144. What representation? What to do? Dismiss.
We will get instruction by next week. No,
The grievance of the petitioner is against an order dated
2/2/2024.
order dated.
2/2/2024, page 21.
It will be over by the next one. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter next week.
Next.
In the meantime,
Okay.
the learned standing counsel may obtain.
Publish.
My Mr. Lordship,
Yes.
Mr. Lordship, my vehicle bearing number AS01 LC 2024
Hmm.
was seized by the respondent number 4 on 31/8/19, and thereafter a series of uh, cases were done, and on by order dated 1/9/2021 of this honorable High Court, I preferred a review, which is at page number 34, the judgment, and page, the review is at page number 34, and
What is the order?
I
Order
think-
in review.
Yes, the order is not yet passed. Your
I have to take it.
Okay. The grievance of the petitioner is that pursuant to this court's order dated 1/9/2021 passed in WPC 4233/2021. The petitioner filed a review petition against an order dated
against the order dated today, 11/10/21.
11/10/2021.
21 of confiscation report number FG50
11/1,
11/10/21.
11.
Oh,
10.
sorry, your lordship, that is the
No, that is not.
the letter
31,
31.
829.
31.
30, equal
31/8.
order review petition under section 49 within bracket B of Assam Forest Regulation 1891 was given delivered. Okay. File a review petition under 2022 against offense report number S/11 of 2019/20 dated 31/8/2019. The grievance of the petitioner is that such review petition filed on review petition filed on
Page 34. It is 9/9/21.
9/9/2021 has not yet been decided. Mr. Gogoi, learned counsel submits that he will obtain instruction as regards the status of such review. Submission may be granted 10 days time to obtain instruction as regards the status of such review petition. Okay. Accordingly, is this matter on before you.
Your lordship,
Ten-
I will not be available on 8 and 10.
Then thereafter holidays only. After Bihu.
Yes.
After Bihu. 19.
Right.
19.
Deeply obliged.
please, Your Lord.
Hmm.
30. But, yep, yes.
The present writ petition is filed with a prayer Where is your prayer?
Just
Uh,
a minute.
File the present writ petition seeking a direction to the
Part 4.
respondent number 4 to pay an amount of rupees 46,570 with 12% interest from date of a judgment and decree dated 10/9/2004 passed in money suit number 05/2003 by the learned by the Court of Learned Civil Judge Junior Division number 2, Silchar, Kasar. The respondent number 4 is the manager Pathesera Tea Estate. When when the learned council was uh, asked to satisfy this court whether a writ petition shall be maintainable against a private entity that also with a grievance of law, that also relating to an execution of a decree. The learned council, Mr. Learned council has prayed for withdrawal of this petition with a liberty to approach the executive court. They are then accordingly the writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with a liberty to approach appropriate forum permissible under. Yes, who are you?
For Industry and Commerce Department.
If you record your name. Yes.
To the Procedural Malar, and he appeared, statement twice recorded. That is there, but I
And
think,
what about that?
Malar, their materials are there. Malar, he has confessed that Malar, in some documents, their consent of the lady is available.
No, no, what we wanted to know is whether that document has been seized.
Malar,
Because
is
how will
not-
you prove this case? This statement is nothing.
No, nothing, no, no. He stated that in some documents her consent is there, but in some documents consent is not there. Even then, he has transferred those amount, my lord, huge amount has been transferred. Ultimately, materials are there, my lord. During trial, my lord.
Okay, you give the case, there will see.
My lord.
Two aspects. One is that he admitted
Yes,
he entered into an agreement, but
Right.
police has not seized that document.
agreement.
Then what is meaning of that? Only statement is of that lady. Lady says that he promised this is the document, but original document is not seized by the
Not
police.
probably, but he has stated that in some documents, there her consent is there, but in some documents, consent is not there. Even then, he has transferred those amounts.
But his admission is nothing for trial. Yes, we'll see that.
My lord.
Yet what stay vacating?
Well, it was my lord, last occasion, it was supposed to my lord hear the matter, my lord. But I don't.
The state of imported will hear the matter
Yes, my lord. It is entirety, completely. Last time, my lord, whether it is reflected in order.
I have seen that.
Yes, sir.
Who filed this stay vacation?
We filed, my lord.
Now, are you ready to take?
Well, so far, if my lord, safe petition part, my lord, is so far, I'm ready, sir. And complete hearing, my lord.
Complete hearing. That is our observation.
Yes. But, it was listed in safe petition order.
No, also any problem on that?
Well,
If you want, we can adjourn it, no problem on that. But don't say that because they vacating, we cannot hear the mailman.
no, my lord, that is not.
Then tell us
Lordship, lordship.
when.
Yes, no.
Tell us.
Give me a second. Okay, put- yeah.
After you vacate.
I have a slight difficulty on 18th and 19th.
After you,
25th.
25th. Mr. Though, in terms of this court's order dated 6/3/2024, instead of taking the interim order, the entire petition was supposed to be taken for final disposal. Mr. Mehdi submits that he is having some difficulty accordingly.
That may not be good.
Then what should they write? Tell us.
Because department, my lord,
Then what to write? However, as the matter is listed in the stay column,
Yes.
stay vacating column, Mr. Mehdi was not ready for the final argument. Accordingly, placed for an adjournment. Is this matter? It released the connected writ petition in the admission column on 25th of April.
Great.
20.
That-
Okay.
Great.
Interim.
No, there is no, my lord, it was earlier, my lord, it was continued, my lord.
It was not discontinued, but that will again be a subject matter which has to be decided by.
My lord, another thing is, please, in past section on this, recovery is already made, my lord.
We'll see that.
Yes, my lord, that is recovered.
We'll see that.
Great.
For the bill,
Uh-huh.
but will it up today or?
No, we'll see. I said that I'll see, look into the case that our mind is that that document is not this. So we are thinking in passing an order in your favor. Probably. We'll see the case diary.
Second half or?
You want to argue?
No. Whether it would,
No. We'll go through the case diary and pass the order.
but then point is,
I'll record your present, but we have not made up our mind. We'll see the case diary.
oh, but
54. Orders. Huh? Why? Who is for the order side?
I'm the petitioner, your lordship,
Huh?
on number 6. But item number 44 is also there in the main list.
Item number 44.
44
Okay, we'll take
and-
up with item number 44. Along with item number 44. Yes. Next case.
Consultation with the Honorable High Court, I actually bring some instruction lordship that method. And he will have to send me a copy of the concept paper.
Okay. Mr. N. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he will require 10 days further time.
Lord.
10 days further time to obtain instruction in terms of this court order dated 16/2/2024. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish 2 extra copies of the petition to Mr. N. Goswami.
After 3 weeks.
Please this matter on after 2 weeks evaded. 23rd.
Of life.
Number 1, minute.
Hmm.
Probably, may it is complied with, minute. We have filed our affidavit.
None appears for the petitioner on call. File affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
An affidavit has been filed to the effect that the order dated
It was the
order dated
12/7/2018.
12/7/2018 passed in WPC
4670/2010.
WPC 4760 of 2010 has been complied with. Here is the affidavit. Accordingly, here is the affidavit, and having satisfaction that the order has duly been complied with, the matter stands closed.
Please, your lordship. In this case, I am stating for response number 2 and 8. In which 2 is that
2019,
we already filed our report. Okay, the report. There is a fact here for
okay, Central Learned Council for the respondent number
2 and 8.
2 and 3 submits that she may be granted 10 days time, 2 weeks time to file affidavit in terms of this court's earlier order dated 16 to 2024. Prayer is allowed. Please this matter after.
Look, in this matter, on last petition, lordship on 6th of Lordship has passed an order. Look, we have in fact prepared a review petition in this case. But we have filed the review on 21st of. But I pray that the review petition along with this.
Same prayer on last occasion.
Look, we have filed on that day. We did not file the second last.
Okay. Okay, you have already filed.
We have already filed on 21st of.
Let us see what happens. Uh, Mr. T. Not Learned Council for the respondent number.
Here,
Learned
one-
Council
one.
for the respondent submits that and review petition has already been filed on
21st of March,
21st of March 2023
for filing.
and is likely to be listed likely to be listed within 10 days, within 2 weeks for consideration. In view of such submission, matters can adjourn and be listed up. Where is the lady gone?
Near the on the way. That's
Who is your senior? S. Chakravarti means full name. Mr. Das, Mr. Sharma. I think you could understand why I have asked the name. Okay, thank you.
For the except no justice address. Order file a compliance affidavit.
Trustee,
Yes.
the Learned Council for the petitioner praised for Learned Council for the petitioner submits that two trustee surveys have been affected. However, he will require 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in this regard. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned and be listed up. Hmm.
So there are two items. One filed by not one safe. That's what the corporate file certificate of the interim order passed by
You want to implead whom?
The first,
Let's see.
yes, yes.
And who is he?
He is the municipal board.
I am for municipal board.
Okay.
Now, my lord, one thing is here, that day when the interim order was passed, on that the same day, the father has been settled in the name of Leslie. And over and above, my lord, this is within ward number 1 of Kajalgaon Municipal Board.
Just a minute. What kind of stay vacating you want?
Because that is the order, my lord,
What is the stay order?
is 17.
Read the paragraph 8.
That means we may strip the market.
So therefore, this needs determination in terms of a writ appeals judgment. This order has been passed. There is no bar for settlement, but not over the subject plot. Now, according to this order, in writ appeal it was clarified.
My lord,
So this needs determination.
let me submit. My lord. In writ appeal,
Hmm.
the case was not decided on merit because time was expired. So we have asked the honorable division bench that it has become infraction. But what is the right of the municipality about the
We do not know this needs a deliberation. It's not like that.
deliberation
That will.
interim order?
So interim order, very reasoned interim
Reason.
order.
Order is reason, but
Ah.
my submission is kindly see section 62 of Municipal Act. Private property, that is also my question, madam.
No,
Because
your question will be answered. The writ petition will be taken up. Do you want to file anything here in the IA? That we can, or otherwise we are not inclined to modify such a region order. And there is nothing to suggest that by this order municipalities anyway restrained from doing anything. It is only clarification how the two markets should not come within the subject matter. That we cannot give you a liberty that you do that way. Learned counsel,
then that way we can you.
we are not observing anything. Learned counsel for the IA heritage. ISC 858/2020. Learned counsel for the why he needs to be a party. Settlement is not in respect of the subject plot. Why should he be a party? There is no stay order against any settlement.
Yes.
The observation is that these two markets should not come within the subject plot.
Our land.
Your land, that's all.
Don't vote.
There is nothing against you.
The thing is this, my lord. Kajalgaon Municipal Committee was formed in the year 2014. Thereafter, in the year 2017,
So
it has been upgraded to municipality.
these are matters to be decided in the writ. On the prayer of the learned, let this be taken up next week. After we, on the prayer of the learned council for the parties, please this matter after we vacate interim order pass earlier.
I'll apply to
50 from 40. Where is Mr. Sutia? It is bench 3 method. Yes, Mr. Nat, we thought of doing something.
But we have taken up the matter, they sought some instruction.
Mm.
But in fact, what we understand and in absence of some instruction, so it is difficult of our part to put it on the paper. We are awaiting the instruction, but it has not.
But it's good. It's better for everybody.
Correct, correct. Notifies there is an pertinent issue in this. Have also seen, because ultimately the thing has to be seen.
So we
I
thought we'll streamline it, but
I feel-
you are not
I-
coming forward.
correct. That my lord, in fact, they have sought for some time.
Short for time means we are granting them
Correct.
time only.
Correct, correct. But now the officers, they are taking the
Election.
election thing. Kindly give us some. Let us try.
Uh, Sir, he not learned counsel for the learned senior government advocate submits that due to the ensuing parliamentary election, though the affidavit is being prepared, that could not be vetted and
No,
finally
Some instructions were.
uh,
some instructions
submitted, and they are also waiting for some further instruction in terms of this court order date to answer the queries raised by this court under its order dated 11/12/2022. Accordingly, after some deliberation, matter stands adjourned and be listed. Today's,
It's a part of
that's
within-
why that
within-
is the difficult, huh?
within a month.
27th of
April.
April.
Got
Or as part of it. We'll try next 2-3 days. We'll give a chance. Thereafter, we'll withdraw
fact-
because
in
we thought that it will help everybody.
They have
The
given a letter,
litigants also you will.
but they have given a
The
letter.
officers are doing or the district committee dispute. They are also not clear.
No,
All orders are in opposite direction.
problem.
Okay. Yes. What is this? Hmm?
Regarding, I thought it happened that he land is agricultural land.
This is pending. Let it go. What do you know the SLP?
How you know that?
Where is the Apex Bank? It is reflected. In this court order dated 21/11/2022 that P.N. Goswami reflected that the issue whether provisions of securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interests within bracket Surface Act 2002 would be applicable in case of loan available from a cooperative bank and that too pertaining to agricultural land is sub judice before the Honorable Supreme Court. Full stop. Accordingly, the matter was adjourned for updated instruction. None appears for the some cooperative effect. However, in the interest of justice, matters can be adjourned and be listed after 2 weeks. See, in the month of May. See, two issues. One is whether it is agricultural land or not. Other issue is one part is cooperative bank, whether applicable or not. I think that determination that has been settled. Now, only second issue is agricultural land is not applicable. That is also settled. But issue is whether tea land is agricultural land. That is the point. Tea land is a special cultivation, never been an agricultural land. If you no, whether only for the purpose of levying of agricultural income tax, the land will take a character of an agricultural land. Whereas in the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation, everywhere you will see this is a separate class which is known as special cultivation. So when it is special cultivation, whether it is an agriculture, tea is never been treated as an agriculture. No, that is not the subject matter. Subject matter according to you is the whether agricultural land. Is it a subject matter that whether tea land is agricultural land? That we can very well decide right now.
They are trying to deduce that that opinion from the income tax act.
No, that we
Yes.
know, that is income tax act. But if you go to the Tea Act, which is code in itself, you will see what is the definition of tea land, what is tea. But if nobody is interested, what to do it?
I just missed something.
We have received the instructions, Lord. This is the instruction.
We can.
What if in passport and
File an affidavit.
Lord.
Mr. H. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, submits that he has received instruction from the additional deputy commissioner, Kamrup Metropolitan District. A copy of the instruction is also there. Is also produced and paid. Yes, Mr. Mohanto. What you say? I have filed affidavit, but no, that we understand. That is the paragraph 3 of 7 to 20. That where is that affidavit? Uh-huh.
I
It is not on record. Okay. Which is to the following effect. Huh?
Lordship, our affidavit is also there.
On the basis of this.
Lordship, but
No, I think this is different.
Lordship, that those are not annexed Lordship. I will file by way of an affidavit.
No, this is your paragraph is in terms of paragraph 4. I do not think that you have
I have visit some therapy.
your is para 3.
I have my,
His is that you have filed.
his direction is para 4.
Para 4.
Para 4, my lord, that is going to place
Uh, no, that instruction he has received. This is
that is how we
that he has received. But you have written till. In terms of this court's order, in terms of paragraph 4 of this court's order dated 7/2/2024, and would like to file an affidavit. Full stop. Accordingly, he prays for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. Mr. T.J. Mohanta, learned senior counsel, submits that his client has already filed an affidavit in terms of paragraph 3 of the order dated 7/2/2024. Same is not on record. Registry to verify and check. Who is Nilakshi Datta
Petition number 2.
and who is Lohit Saikia? Lohit is Nilakshi. And who is Pathajit Borua?
Private.
He is private. You are, according to them, you are also occupying government.
which is allowed to me.
No, they say government land.
I will also bring the Sita copy, Lordship. The Sita copy.
Therefore, you will have to incorporate exactly as it is,
Lordship.
so that they can respond.
Lordship.
Then we'll see the later part, whether road, pathway, that.
That my lord, like me, he should also be granted my lord land. That is his case.
That is his
There
case.
are one
But
bigger land.
no, that we understand. But government stand is that their position is not clear.
Lord.
Both of them position clear. And at the same time, you are also occupying government.
Government. That
I
too
have
got us.
government land, but already posted which is
No,
supposed to be
the
like-
moment it is settled, it no more remains government.
My lord.
We will understand from this
My lord.
Yes.
instruction that you are also, maybe you have been settled, but you are still in occupation of some land government land. No, now we
My
let them
lord.
file it.
Let affidavit.
May I get
Okay.
back that?
In the meantime, you also file a, not necessary. Please this matter,
The last part of April
possible.
or May or
I think it should be May,
Lordship.
because they will be busy with the festival of democracy. All this of,
I forgot that part.
yes,
First week of
in the first week of May.
Lordship will pick the date, otherwise.
Okay, give a date.
Let it be on 9th.
9th of May.
Lord.
Everyone is.
No way out.
Official kita. We are not busy, Lordship. The officers will be busy.
That is under process. Maybe you can
Okay,
today
we are going to file.
Yes.
Ms. Diane, Learned Council, Learned CGSC submits that the affidavit is being filed in terms of this court's order dated 11/3/2024 during the court of the day. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed after view vacancy. Let them file reply in the meantime. View vacancy. Yes,
That is the last document. That's the-
affidavit filed by respondent number 2 and 4, 2 to 4.
Not yet filed.
Huh?
Not yet filed.
Yes. Who are for 2 to 4? Huh?
And
Yes, my lord. And
You
when
are
I wrote to the
representing.
department, they have replied that senior advocate NC Das is keeping.
You are for whom? 2
I'm
to 4.
government.
Huh?
Junior government. Government.
You are for?
One man.
Do you need to file any affidavit?
At this stage,
Though it was, though an adjournment was sought on behalf of respondent number 2, adjournment was granted on the prayer of learned senior counsel Mr. N.C. Das for respondent number 2 and 4 to enable the said respondent to file affidavit in opposition. However, none appears for the said respondent. You are representing N.C. Das?
no, I'm for one.
Okay, none appears for the said respondent. No affidavit has also been
Well, one thing, his name is not reflected in the post list.
not reflected.
No.
Then
That is-
okay,
it will be directed
none
to-
applicable. However, to लिखिएगा, none appears to लिखिएगा ना लगे. However, no such affidavit has been filed. It is submitted that name of Mr. N.C. Das Planet Senior Counsel has not been reflected in the court list. Considering the above methods and adjourned, it is said after
They say also directed to reflect the name.
after quick registry to reflect name of the N.C. Das Planet Counsel Senior Counsel for respondent number 224
Let's say after 4.
after 4.
That
He will make a mention. What is this?
That is the.
Oh, IDGA.
No, I am told that the government filed an affidavit. My lord.
One of the affidavit has one of your filing it.
Okay, it is submitted by Mr. Nath Lanet Senior Government Advocate that an affidavit in opposition in terms of this court's order dated in terms of this court's earlier order dated 4/3/2024 is being filed during course of the day. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned and be listed after view.
Or
Can it be on Monday?
Let it go after. Monday may not be possible.
The on that review,
Hmm.
on that field, my lord, one festival is one program is there. That could do one will on day.
Bihu is already permitted. There is no stay. Enjoy this Bihu. Let us not create a scene before the. That's why I'm saying after Bihu. Yes, what is it?
right. Of that, what
Hmm.
I if it however it process has without any evidence of the truth as prescribed by the
Okay.
truth
Who are you? First tell us.
it extent of the media they are authorized to file
Who are you? Let us see your.
page 131
Let us see your pleading. So it is in a representative capacity. Huh? However, it is maintainable under representative capacity. Go to the division bench. Satisfy us that on that only. First, then we'll proceed.
They have been authorized to.
So this is a representative capacity. Can the representative under what circumstances, what situation, a writ petition under representative capacity can be filed?
Down.
Hmm.
They can be
So a writ is issued when any right, legally enforceable right, or your fundamental right is violated. A, a person can represent others in a writ petition, exposing their thoughts. Then it will be a public interest because they cannot have. Now, what is this petition? How to name this petition? How many petitioners are there?
sit there.
Hmm.
So,
So let us first have an inquiry regarding your identity and who is behind it. Then we'll go to the other. Let there be an investigation by some authority. Okay. Then we'll look into the other part. What is your introduction to yourself? So petitioner number 2 has withdrawn.
subsequently, at least 132, they translated.
Yes, you see your description. Petitioners are actively engaged in various social and development activities in the aforesaid locality of Hawajan where petitioners reside. Petitioners always tries to highlight the various grievances of the people of the state locally before the country. It is kind of a public interest. Number of religious institutions when
Been satisfied.
where are the local people? That is, we have no problem on the issue. We understand. See, we understand that people are having a right to object for a wine shop, establishment of a wine shop or liquor shop or an IMFL site. There are certain procedures, objections are to be given. Okay. Now, according to them, where is the license?
License, they will stay, my lord. So license has been in under process.
So,
Vacated.
if anybody is agree, go there. Why should we decide on
My lord, if similar circumstances, my lord, these honorable court matter. The right to complain comes from, my lord, the rule says within 75 meters. These persons are beyond that. Paragraph 11, 12, my lord. This also, my lord, some people came before this court that
license cannot be issued, should not be issued.
You first satisfy your locus, then we'll proceed further. Because it is not you individually. Another person has come and you are representing all the people of Bhavat. Admittedly.
Page 31, 131. 41 says translated type of pilot may produce multiple errors.
That is why it has taken a character of a public interest litigation.
In that case,
In fact, my lord, this
I may
this has come, my lord, after intervention of the court. There is a court order, my lord. This was your locus where the complaint. This is 2019. He has filed it on in the March of.
I have seen that. We have seen.
Yes, and this does not indicate any date.
paragraph 10 may
Nothing.
last. Paragraph 10. Remedies not for it government of local or health topic.
We have serious doubt on your intention and locus. So we cannot ask for conversion of each petition to PIL because nowadays in PIL you will have to declare many things. And because of people, some people, these prescriptions are being given. Because public interest litigation are becoming private interest litigation and personal interest. So that's why certain declarations are to be made. And when admittedly you are representing the common people for a common cause of action of those people, this is which we are not entitled. But that is the option of that. It's not it's that we are rejecting. You have an option to withdraw or will dismiss this petition on that. That you cannot be an aggrieved party. You cannot represent them. Option is yours. With a liberty to approach the approach because in PIL you have to declare many things. Who are you? What is your locus? Why you have filed?
Has been going on, my.
On market,
Tomorrow.
All right.
After carrying at some length, when this court raised the question of locus of the petitioner, as admittedly the petitioner number one stated to have representing the cause of common people of Hawazan area. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will obtain instruction from his client whether to withdraw this petition with a liberty to file a fresh petition as public interest. To file a public interest statement. Where it allowed, please this matter to me.
All right.
my lord, it's like those
Why?
Time only.
Closed for
So my client is not responsible to file affidavit.
They won, my lord, because similar person rejected, it went to DTP also got rejected.
That is,
No, another case of but
this court
same person.
I have
under its order dated
matter not to be present.
under its order dated 19/1/2024 recorded that in spite of various opportunities being granted to the petitioner has not filed additional affidavit. And therefore, it seems that petitioner is not interested in pursuing the instant litigation. And accordingly, an additional chance was given. Today, when the matter is listed, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is not interested in proceeding. Accordingly, it is taken.
Ole.
Like on not being pursued.
It was either of certain exceptions subsequent of
I have received the case back, but could not go through it.
Go to it. Mr. PJ Talukdar, learned counsel for the senior counsel on behalf of the state respondent submits that he has received the case diary and record. And however, he could not go through the same and required some time. Accordingly, 6 for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. Is this matter on? Next week, give a date.
on part
Monday. On 1st of
For,
yes.
for item 27, I think time, we have sent the affidavit for waiting
What affidavit? We say that
regarding non-payment of contractor.
Ah.
28th at night, they have filed their affidavit. They have admitted
Yes,
that there is some discrepancy in the amount.
okay.
We admit that.
We have
We
admitted
are ready to
So
accept.
far relating to
Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of yes, releasing
so
of
far relating to item number
28 and 9.
28.
so we can dispose it of.
Oh my-
27, we have-
So we'll dispose it of in view of the affidavit. Huh? You just write earlier paragraph, it's item number 27, order dated 21 to 2024. First paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph, then write it. In the respondent has filed affidavit and taken is while file an affidavit, full stop, while admitting the due payable to the petitioner. A stand has been taken that due to paucity of fund, the same could not be paid. Now,
Lordship, for item number, and sorry to interrupt the Lordship, for item number 27, Lordship, Ministry of Jal Shakti has not been treated. Otherwise, it will be difficult. As well.
no, now, okay, forget about for time. Who will pay this amount?
Lordship, we will pay after receiving the fund from the Ministry of Jal Shakti.
You are Ministry of Jal Shakti,
No, we are the water resource.
water resource is from the Ministry of Jal Shakti.
Lordship,
Now, when can you expect that payment?
Lordship, we have already sent our demand proposal.
Full stop. Mr. R.M. Das, Learned Council further submits that proposal slash demand for such amount, demands against such amount due has already been sent to the Ministry of Jal Shakti, and they are expecting the fund within
Post-election.
within a period of 6 weeks. Within a period of 6 weeks. That being the position. And considering the fact, considering the admission of the respondent, the writ petition is disposed of with the following direction as that of WPC 74734. Okay, with the following direction, then there is a report. Yeah, any copy good. With 4750 as follows. With the following direction, this will be the now we will here will space give the 60 days from the month of from the second week of May. We'll just 60 days we'll just change it because you want 6 months. We do not want an immediate contempt. You want up to May after election.
Yes.
So up
We are
to May it will be will give up within a period of 6 months.
Lordship, Ministry of Jal Shakti may be imputed as a party respondent. Otherwise, they will file contempt and we will be liable. Again, we have to file review for that.
No, for that time being you wait for some time. If it's not filed, not filed. If ministry is not, then you will have a defense. That ministry is not because you have recorded that your money is you will not be in contempt. And Ministry of Jal Shakti will not be in contempt. They are not parties.
Lordship, in my case, they are party.
Okay, fine. So therefore, why should we go all to dispose of?
Because in 6715,
Hmm?
because in WPC 6715, last court order, your Lordship has directed us to file detailed evidence.
That we have given because we expected that you will get money.
Lordship,
Then now Jal Shakti you are not bringing. Since you have said you have demand, then later we'll see. Let us see for 6 months.
Lordship may like to, in my case, they have potentially the admitted amount. But Lordship may like. Alright.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
What is the urgency?
Urgency Lordship, compensation initially minimum amount of the pay and subsequently reassess the amount Lordship, but has not been paid. And similar order already passed by the court, similar case Lordship.
It admitted and parted for Friday. Soft copy. Correct. 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 Where is the pre-assessment here?
Here is the case 17/2017 that was subject another
Mm-hmm.
101 page Lordship. Yes,
Where is the award?
page 101 Lordship.
101.
That's the respect of Lala.
And what about this order?
This was another award Lordship. After of this award Lordship, yes, has been done. Money has been sanctioned.
subsequent letter, the PCS forwarded a disbursement letter with 107.
Yes. How DC will pay until and unless this land acquired for whom? For National Highway.
Yes.
Where is National Highway? Who has acquired it? PW. Who will pay this amount?
Central government.
So therefore, who will give? We want to pass an order. Well, it can be executed. There is an reassessment. There was an award. Now, who will pay this award? Who is the recurring agency?
Page 107.
Tell us.
Plus executive engineer Korimgo is forwarded. Deputy Sir has forwarded the authority.
They are the executing body.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Payment.
You are not getting my point.
Sir.
Money will be given by the authority who said that we require this land for construction. PWD is entrusted with the responsibility of the construction because PWD, this is the construction of National Highway. Isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Where is the National Highway is a party?
Party.
Yes, Mr. Borua is there. No, do you understand? Who will pay? Central government.
Minister.
Pay to division.
Ah.
Salah.
That is what we're saying. So central government is a party.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, who is representing central government? Yes, tell us. We can pass an order, dispose of, give them. But tomorrow we will come and we'll close your contempt. It is easy to get an order. Yes, sir. Central government have instruction. Yes. Which is the correspondent?
1 and 4, 6, 5. Next question.
Respondent number? Okay. The grievance of the petitioner is that the reassessed compensation and awarded by the arbitrator relating to acquisition of land of the petitioners under National Highways Act 1956 has not been paid. Has not been paid. It is the case of the petitioner that the work was, though the work was executed by the Public Work Division, National Highway, State of Assam. However, land the requiring authority is the Ministry of
So, transport and highways.
Ministry of
8, 6.
the Ministry of Shipping, Road Transport and Highways. And therefore, it is the said authority who is to release the amount to the PWD NH
NHP.
and who in turn is to deposit the same before CALA. CALA. In view of the aforesaid backdrop, the learned CGC shall obtain instruction as regards the grievance of the petitioner and status of satisfaction of the reassessed award. Copy of this order is furnished to MS. Learned CGC. That after I can dispose it of. No problem on that. But who will pay money? Where is the responsibility? Someone said,
Apply.
Let's see the bottom. you want to it, the affidavit has been ready to file.
Check market.
No, no, regarding my lord, regarding non-correction of record, my lord.
Okay, okay,
He lost his order, my lord, 6-3, my lord.
okay.
My lord, I appear for the respondent number 4, my lord. What happened, my lord? Actually, the appellate forum did not set aside the order of the original order of the circle officer. And the petitioner has not challenged that order till date before the appropriate.
What?
My lord, I appear for the respondent of
Ah.
my
Now you have taken up.
yes.
Moment we pass an order.
No, on the
Okay, then
No.
tell us.
on 4th of March, my lord,
Hmm.
some operation was going on. That is why
Okay, okay,
I could not appear before Lord.
okay, tell us.
My lord, what happened, my lord? Today I filed the affidavit in opposition.
You have filed a Philippine opposition.
Today
Is
itself.
is it on record? Let it.
Yes.
Uh,
My lord, what
Mr.
happened, my
J.
lord?
Hendick, Learned Counsel, representing the circle officer, submits that he has received instruction and accordingly would like to file an affidavit. Full stop. Mr. Uh, the Learned Counsel, you are for respondent number
4.
Respondent number 4 submits that he has already filed an affidavit today. Registry to verify and take the stamp with the record. Accordingly, list this method. You
Yes,
file reply whatever you are. Let this method be listed after Bihu vacation and on divided 29th of April. In the meantime, parties may access message.
It is,
Yes.
I don't think
Ah.
but having said that, my lord, the lord, the last order, at page, the lord, at the last order, dated 28 of the 30.
Affidavit file.
7-5, but
My lord,
any side,
I'm the beneficiary of that petrol pump, my lord,
Hmm.
realized you. So I'm appearing, my lord, I filed a vacating application.
Hmm. Where
Which
is that?
not been listed, I think 23rd we filed it. 21st, sorry.
Okay, affidavit, we will file affidavit.
I have to fight. I personally have not completed it. Good time.
He's also not in complete shape, my lord.
Hmm?
He's also not in complete shape.
Because he knows why I'm in complete. Not safety.
Okay, after 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
After
after Bihu. Mr. C. Burwa, Learned Standing Counsel for
Oh,
NHAI, seeks for further 2 weeks time to file an affidavit. Mr. J. Roy, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number
5 and 6 months.
5 and 6, submits that he has already filed an stay vacating petition, which is not listed. Considering the above, let this matter be listed after Bihu
On 26th, my lord.
on 26th, on 26th of April 2024. Yes. Huh? Not 26. Okay, tell, keep it. 3830?
30.
30. 38. Interim order, pass earlier. In the meantime, but interim order, pass earlier, shall continue.
Come on.
Yes. Come to
By the for the decision of the Panchayat and Rural Development Department
Ah.
of not assigning him out under the PMAY.
get visible.
He is a 90% visually impaired person.
Yes, we thought for an
They-
instruction.
They have already filed their affidavit. But
Ah.
unfortunately, the affidavit does not say even a single word about the fact that it's their own scheme and the right person disability act very clear that 5% needs to be kept aside for the reservation has to be given. Their affidavit is absolutely silent on
Yes,
that.
madam.
And in fact,
Because
they're
this will have this your petition, these issues you have raised
Sure.
will have a impact upon all, not only.
in fact, Lordship, they have annexed in their affidavit, they have annexed a list saying that up till beneficial number 39 has already been granted. And supposedly I am at list number, I'm at serial number 41. Now, how is it possible that I am at 41 without having given a 5% registration?
So
you
out of 39, 5% will come around
At least, three people,
three people.
at least,
So
or one, if we read it as 2.5, so raising it perhaps, or at least lesser than that, then do it.
two.
So it was incumbent upon them, the applicant is silent about
Yes.
that aspect. And they continue to maintain that I am at serial number 41. Up till 39, the payment has
She
already
is
been
not
made.
seeking as per seriatim. She is seeking in terms of her special character and in terms of the government policy of giving benefit to those people. Is it not?
Yes.
Yes. What is it then?
It is their own period. I have also annexed in the petition.
Yes. What you say?
Lordship, in our certificate in opposition, we already said in serial number 68, page number 68, we said that the petition in priority list of PMAY beneficiary list, his serial now, earlier his serial number was 41, now his serial number is 42. But now today I have received instructions in the morning that his serial number is 1. So he will get.
No, serial number 1 is not an issue. Issue is something different.
Other
Lord
than
say-
aspect, team itself lapses on team end. After that, if I'm left out, yeah, absolutely travesty of the law. What can I?
Yes, madam. What is your answer to this query?
Lordship,
That there should be an earmark quota for these
Yes.
people. What is your answer to this?
Lordship, kindly see it annexer I in
Hmm.
the hours plus registration report PMAYZ,
Space,
Yes.
space.
page number 52. That is the category of the petitioner's name reflect the other, not reflect the disabled person.
What is the other? Tell us. Okay, we understand it is not. But why you have reflected him as other? What is the meaning of other? Tell us.
In fact, what I on this that they were trying to. There was no option for person to decide. Therefore,
We will expand this.
they are,
Yes, Mr. Nath, come forward.
there was only a category.
This
of
is not the
person.
way this is to be handled by. Madam, can we take up this matter after some time?
Yes.
Or at two? Mr. Nath, let's go to the issue. Because we might have to expand this scope of this issue as regards your policy. That's why we are calling you. I think she's standing counsel.
Yes.
Let her be there, but for this policy, how you are following it in that department, I think you will be the proper person to at this stage. May we require advocate general, because if this is their stand is that he is at serial number 41, say suppose. So in that case, if there is a provision for a quota for them, then out of 41, at least 2 will be earmarked. There may not be available person 2, but when there is one available, that person should get a serial number 1. Now they say that it will, she was 41, she or he, then now 39, now 1, because now 1. But now 1 is not concerned. Now 1 is not a concern. Ultimately, what is your policy? If you say we don't have that kind of policy, fine, that it will be serial, they are not special. And she says that he has been recorded as other. What is the meaning of other? Maybe transgender, maybe other LGBT, maybe something different. Then what is the meaning of other? Maybe disabled. So other will mean there must be, it must relate to some quota. And this is 31st. You have the instruction. So yes, madam, brief him.
At
At
bibliotheque.
I thought, yeah, my lord, my representation has not been considered, my lord. But by the board, at
Okay.
50 mile.
In this case, we have received instruction.
My lord,
Otherwise,
let them dispose of my representation, man, that will overcome all the problems. My lord. Page 50 is my
what is your stand?
Lordship, we
Your
have
stand is any security security
Then
threat?
Lordship, he is the one PSO is PSO
My
is
lord,
already
in
there.
spite of having, my lord, I
Already-
was brutally attacked, my lord. I have an
Now what can they?
my
What
lord,
can we
I
do?
want, my lord,
100 PSO
I
is
want, my
also
lord,
granted, then he will be attacked, Lordship.
my lord, what I want, my lord, at this stage, my lord, my representation is pending before us.
We'll have to have a satisfaction that you are entitled for more than one PSO or that is required by the
but
stand.
that
Otherwise, if you are here, we'll determine it. And if you have gone to them, you have filed a report, we'll see.
My lord, representation that has not been attended to date, my
Mr. Gogoi Learned Counsel submits that he has received instruction and would like to file an affidavit. It is also his contention that the petitioner is already having a PSO,
single
having a PSO. However, Mr. Borguya submits that even after having a PSO, he was attacked. So therefore, he requires more PSOs and more security net. Be that as it may, uh, be that
my
as
lord, the carbine which they have given, my
we do not know
He
this.
needs AK-47, Lordship. He needs AK-47.
Huh?
He needs AK-47.
no, I don't need
So
my
they have-
any new,
Lordship, Lord.
my lord. I never made it.
What do you do?
My lord, I am a political background. I have contested last election. There, my
Lost.
lord, I lost it from Hajo. Then my lord, my rival attacked, kill me. My thereafter, my lord, recently, my lord, in presence of PSO, Lord, you kindly have a look.
List this matter before any other bench. Without that man, list this matter before any other bench. Without
Lordship.
he was once my client. The tanker, water tanker.
Yes, yes, yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is on payment of contractual bill.
In this matter, Ministry of Jal Shakti is a necessary party, Lordship.
Yes.
They have not increased.
Okay. Learned counsel for a petitioner submits that Ministry of Jal Shakti,
Government of
Government of India is a necessary party. Accordingly, he will file an application for implement of the said authority. Accordingly, he prays for an adjournment. Prayer allowed. Prayer is allowed. This matter after 3 weeks.
Much okay.
Order. Admission. Yes. টিকেটটা করে Yes, what is the yes, madam, what is your instruction?
Instruction. This is a central government scheme
Hmm.
operated on a 90 and 10% basis. But up to 2021, about 2000 year, 2020-21, about 10 crores 79 lakh sanction has been granted and payment has been made, my lord, up to 2021 in respect of Ujjwala Home.
Okay.
And my lord, in respect of the other years, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, proposal to the Union of India has been sent. No sanction has been received as yet.
Okay.
And in respect of the Swadhar Griha, 17 Swadhar Grihas, my lord, an amount of 10.92 crores for the year 2021-22 and 22-23 has been received from the Union of India. My lord, but sanction for the year 2021 is pending at the Union of India level. My lord, and as and when we receive the money,
That is one part of the story.
yes, we will-
Now, taking over their houses and the establishment. If you don't have money, you are not paying money for 2021. Let them run for the time being from what
But,
sources they run.
it is the central government who has to make the payment.
We understand. Where is the central government? Central government is a party.
Party.
Central government has.
So we are
respond.
staying that portion as is, taking over as is where basic.
But,
In fact, Dr. If I may, Dr. That guideline, high cases. High cases that as per the guideline, they have to have guideline.
Mm.
As per the guideline, the government must have key power thing. What is the guideline that
So our concern was, you say that we will take over as is wherewith. Admittedly, these are taken on rent by the NGO. Admittedly, you have delegated them to run this. Admittedly, now you have not paid them money from 2021. Now, therefore, why should we allow you to take over their rented premises?
but well, the only thing that the new mission that the central government is proposing to start, that part may not be. Let
it has already continued.
this payment will be payments will be cleared.
Okay.
Payments will be cleared.
We now understand what what you give the instruction and we'll hear them. After some time, let the other methods be over. Where is the Chaudhary?
It's not there. Because
Okay, no problem. Just wait for a minute. Give us the instruction. Give a copy to them also if possible.
I have just,
You get
marked
it,
the
Jero?
paper.
Yes, next.
Got-
Next case. So your two has not come.
I'm very grateful, my lordship. Very grateful for that.
Yes.
Before we begin, I just wanted to say that my affidavit in opposition is ready, but because of the holidays, I had to file it today. They have just gone to file the.
Okay, what is the issue and what is the urgency?
Yes, the urgency is that every night, day, lady is under threat of death.
What is the
It's
issue here?
And
Tell us.
he is
a
a
non-issue
super senior.
lot. Yes.
He's a super senior.
Hmm.
Paid extensively for the education and everything for her son, daughter-in-law and everything. And finally, after her husband passed away, her elder son passed away. Now this boy, he had hold of the property also once, and then the daughter-in-law is filing all kinds of civil suits to evict her from her own house. They're a noted family of the city, the Guwahati city. Her father, in fact, bought a property for her.
Now,
He
now,
paid
who
for
is
it.
there is a special provision under the act. Who,
Yes,
where is that authority? Who is representing social welfare? Have you approached that authority?
yes, and we need a protection order. They have filed their report. It is the respondent number 2. It should an instruction for interim section, my lord, and the litigant has come with great hope to your court. Because earlier
No,
she had
hope,
also filed
hope
some
sometimes shatters because hope we cannot pass orders on the
for
hope.
her-
We can pass order on the
for her
on.
it might be just life and death. It's
No,
things
no.
like that. Take
Madam,
time.
understand. Here we can pass orders on the basis of rights, equity, all this. On hope, sentiment, we cannot pass order. Yes, where is the social welfare? Where is your application before the authority, competent authority? Tell us.
The application I back here was the code SOS code 181, which is the women's helpline number,
Hmm.
number of times that now I'm trying to help her out. So she is frail and very frail, I should say, and just clinging on to life. Doesn't have water, has to look after her own eating, cooking, and all of that. They are not allowing her to keep even one helper. As is a doctor by profession, he also had a clinic which was shut down by this by the authorities.
Where is the
because of-
reputation? Give us the.
The She's a divorcee, Lordship. She has filed a divorce case,
Not the divorce,
and
just the
I'm annexing the divorce
mother is the
petition.
mother, and she's the
That
owner
is-
of the property. There is
Lordship
a
said
lot
that
of fraud that
he
has
cannot
gone.
pass orders on that.
There is no
Doesn't
mother
work.
is the mother, and
Just wait for a minute. Let me understand.
Yes.
Don't bring those things to here.
Yes.
And don't
subject to
expose
this
here.
case.
Who is respondent number 5 and 6?
I'm
Son
for,
and
I'm,
Son and
daughter.
daughter.
I'm repre-
Now, where is your application before the this was addressed to whom? Page 23.
Uh,
To whom? Who addressed to whom?
the page 50, the image.
To address to whom?
Everything. But to be annexed in the
Uh-huh.
because of the in Delhi. They are also old, the grandmothers and stuff. They somehow try to save their
Now you are see, madam, until and unless there is a you have approached the social welfare,
They-
can we decide?
He has to put social welfare. In fact, the petitioner number 2 worked for that 181 one stop. The petitioner number 2. So she's so old and frail. And, sometimes going
Where is that act? Protection 2007 Act.
so much back 2005 act is
2007 Act of the state legislature regarding protection of parents. Are you aware?
I have this one about it. Protection of parents, one of them. Uh, I think
This is the welfare of parents and not seniors, it is a
I'm
parent.
senior citizen.
Then there is a tribunal has already been constituted by 2008 notification.
Here there are
No,
two
no,
facts.
let us, part will come later and please answer. Where is that, who is representing social welfare? Until and unless you approach the tribunal, can we decide all this? We can give a direction to them for to pass an order or consider that case.
Even that's the a great
But
Lord.
until and unless you go there,
He
to whom will pass an order?
he has
You can
done
come
what
to
he
the
could.
this court.
He has done what he could. He has done.
We can seek and file a writ petition through you, or you cannot advise her to approach the tribunal. There is a specialized tribunal. There is a protection officer.
Most of the criminal notifications are not even there, sort of, my lord. And
I will give you this notification. Here, article for heritage for dispose of property. Item number BTPT. Item. Hmm?
are up to the notification that in a number of cases.
What kind of protection order do you want?
The way that the ethics aspect of the service provider ethics her and ensure that there is water, there is fire, and there is abuse. And the helpers that can work out to be protection for her and her health. That's very sad for her, my lord. Basic human rights is so about them.
Yes, Additional Advocate General. Rules made.
And it sent a very bad message because it's right under the nose of the court. The president of court, right under the nose of the administration. Sent a very
Madam,
bad-
please take your seat. Please take your seat. We'll take care of.
Her prayer is to my lord.
No, that is fine. You have seen prayer, forget about the prayer. See, basically, under this act, the state is to frame a rule under 32, section 32. So far, it's a central legislation. So far, relating to how to proceed.
Right.
We are not aware whether rule is framed. However, immediately after this act came into force, the state, in the name of governor, issued notification on 2nd of August 2018.
Notifying the tribunal.
Yes, under subsection 1 of section 7 for maintenance and welfare of parents and senior act, please to constitute each subdivision civil maintenance tribunal for the purpose of adjudicating and deciding upon the order of maintenance.
Right.
Now, at the same time, now rules is also there, 2007 rule.
Right.
Where is your statement that you have approached this and then social welfare officer is designated as some officer. All district social welfare of Assam have been notified as maintenance officer.
And he protection. In here, he is a well charged protection officer as well as
Tomorrow, my lord, take the instruction. The present status of the tribunal.
Present status of
If
the
we, my lord,
tribunal,
find-
tomorrow we'll take
my
up
lord,
this
pass it
matter and we'll ask the social welfare officer to
Not
to
for
con-
tomorrow, not for tomorrow, my lord. If tomorrow I cannot come up with any answer, my lord will pass.
No, that is not I'm saying. Tomorrow we are fixing, then we are thinking of relegating her to the social welfare officer to pass a reason order. What affidavit are we social welfare? We cannot
Yes.
determine all
My
these
lord,
things.
my learned
They
friend,
can visit, they can do
yes,
everything.
my learned friend is also, my lord, controverting the stand taken in the writ.
Ah.
So that affidavit may also be called for tomorrow, my lord. Let us see, my lord. what can be done.
Affidavit is called for. Have you filed it? But you file it.
File
We
it
do not,
today.
tomorrow will not wait for all this.
It will be filed today.
And these apparently there are litigations and all, but we will also be look into the object of it.
True.
Please this matter tomorrow. In the meantime, we'll record your name, Mr. T.N. Goswami, learned general, shall obtain instruction as regards the status of functioning
Of the
of the tribunal constituted under maintenance and welfare of parents and senior citizens act 2000. Because today we have again disposed of our petition where also the grievance is that these are not functioning.
Then my lord has to take a call.
Therefore, we will have to take. If they are not functioning, then
My lord,
even if keeping this matter pending, we may direct them to
definitely.
act as per law.
True.
And she will file an application whatsoever before the.
finance pick up the same note that there is no notification also on the mental health act.
No, that is not a subject matter.
It is not.
That will come later.
No, that,
That-
that in a given case will take. We
My
cannot,
lord, mental health is to be
we,
established.
we cannot jumble up things. Hey, give it, give it.
Public.
Well, put it. Yes. Very much. What is it?
But regarding custody of a juvenile minor, he has come for compensation.
Okay, we'll take it up after visit. Hearing today may not be.
Here in this case, I'm not disputing on the minor compensation. He may be entitled, but it is not because of the fault of the activity. The police arrested him, produced him in 24 hours.
Okay.
Then magistrate remanded him for 3 months. He raised the plea of juvenile after 1 month of his sentence.
Okay, we'll see that.
Okay.
We'll see that whose fault because I'm also part of that committee and having a specially constituted bench monitoring all this. So we want to know where the problem lies. That is another aspect of the matter why I have kept it as part. Okay. Hard at some time. Better after. After.
Public.
Some more, yeah, same here.
Hearing is concluded, my lord, we have to submit a written argument.
You submit our written argument, we'll again hear it after vacation. You give the written argument.
Kindly pass on.
No Passover.
Otherwise, the singular issue is there,
We have seen that.
that will pull.
Hmm.
I am
That NRL matter is not it. Your whole case is that there was an explanation. This is not willful. This is
So
not
that is-
willful. And always it has been held that when it is not willful, only unauthorized will not. This is the law and therefore they could not have punished. This is your case.
my lord, agree. But the second point is that disproportionate.
Disproportionate. So therefore, even if it is that this removed dismissal should not.
Now, lordship may otherwise speak for my lord, judgment because my lord,
No, there is a difficulty there.
they have also concluded, my lord. They have to file a writ. Yes, then chapter is closed, my lord.
The parties have filed written note of argument. Full stop. Here is the same. Let this matter be again fixed on. We don't to keep it as a CAV. Please this matter on. Give a date. After view. 2nd of May 2020. Not 2nd of May.
It's too late.
No, immediately after
My lord, can it be 20, 20?
Huh? 18th.
Yes. My lord, 18, not my lord, 9.
19th of April 2024 for further deliberation event. Let me be frank. I am not here after from Monday. So I need to deliver some judgments and all. We are completing those tasks for tomorrow. As agreed by the standard concept for the parties. Please, the mark. Mr. Kothakur, we are coming for 10 minutes. Then we'll take up your matter, and I think we have fixed one matter at 2. We'll come back. Or we'll take up 2. At 2. There are two matters. 2 to 5, we have some meetings and all. Now, okay, these are the sanctions given by the government. Okay. What is the scheme? Earlier scheme.
Scheme, your lordship, is your,
Guideline, any scheme guideline?
that's your lordship. It was originally called Ujala.
Hmm.
It was in 2016.
Okay, now then it was the
As
scheme
per
in
this, your lordship, the 90% by the union government, 80%, 10% by the state government, 10% by us, 90% by the government, and 10% stakeholders.
okay.
We find that
Now, in terms of this scheme,
Sure.
what is the period of scheme and how can you be discontinued?
lordship, that was not we have been continuing your lordship, and in the year 2020, new scheme, your lordship, that was your lord
Mission Shakti.
Mission Shakti, that
Initially, it was Ujala.
Gujarat.
Then,
Your lordship, it became Mission Shakti.
where is that?
That scheme was copied.
Okay, Mission Shakti. This is.
No, Mission Shakti.
And what is the new?
In Mission Shakti. Page 83.
Two aspects of Mission Shakti, my lord, Sambal and Samarthya. Samarthya has 5 wings, my lord.
Mission Shakti. Okay.
Yes.
First, it was Ujala, then Mission Shakti.
Mission.
You are working from since the days of Ujala.
Yes.
Now it is Mission Shakti.
Ujala is a part of Mission Shakti. Yes, my
No,
lord.
Mission Shakti is a part of Ujala.
No, today, my lord, Ujala is a part of
Now,
Samarthya,
your lordship,
it's
Mission
different.
Shakti, your lordship, these were brought under one.
Okay, so under Mission Shakti, Ujala is also amalgamated or it is
And new components were introduced.
okay.
That's why your lordship will, if your lordship takes up 52, your lordship,
Ah.
then your lordship will get page internal page 17,
17.
page 89.
Okay,
Section
89.
number. Your lordship, one side makes everything clear about
Yes.
that. The proposal for new homes from the state union territories will be
Where? I'm at page 89.
89, your lordship, second paragraph.
There were, however, issues.
No, your lordship, the proposal for new. Page 17, internal page 17. So,
Internal page 17.
page 100. Page 100.
Okay.
Second paragraph.
The proposal.
The proposals for new homes from state union territories will be considered for financial assistance. No funding support for construction of new homes will be provided. The cost of running such as administrative management costs, including rental, will be provided. Further, all existing homes currently being run operated by the NGOs like us, homes not set up by the state union territories will be permitted to run 31/5/2024, giving sufficient time to state and union territories to get these integrated into new scheme. Now, since your lordship, new scheme has several components, your lordship, it talks about integrating your lordship, not removing us, your lordship. That's one. And secondly, even assuming that they have the power, they have got sufficient time till 31/5/2024 to put in place a separate, your lordship, mechanism for running this houses of homes, your lordship. That has also not been done. All of a sudden, your lordship, they have issued this. First of all, your lordship, that guidelines never talked about removing us.
Yes, madam.
But one aspect, my lord, not removing or removing, my lord, continuance in perpetuity, my lord, that
No, that is we are not about, we are not on there.
yes.
You have, because see, Union of India formulated a scheme. Now, Ujala, they are continuing. Ujala is thought to be incorporated under Mission Shakti. Isn't it?
Yes.
Now, in Mission Shakti, therefore, a procedure is laid down to this for settlement of these issues.
Sure.
What is the procedure? Procedure is new homes from the state only be considered for financial assistance. No funding support for construction of new homes will be provided.
Rental will.
Okay. The cost of running such an administrative management cost, including rental, will be provided. Further, all existing homes currently being run, operated by NGO will be permitted to run, giving sufficient time to
To the
state
union territory. state-
union territories to get this integrated into new scheme. So there was a new scheme from 31 to 2014. So since you have not integrated, we are giving you extended time integrated. That's all. You do as per scheme. We are not calling you to do as per SOCPI, but this the manner and method you are doing that we are saying. With a liberty to proceed in terms of the SOCPI.
Malad, to the, Malad, my humble submission, I would urge the sort report is that taking over, handing over that aspect, Lordship intervenes.
Therefore,
Malad,
that we are taking
only
over,
thing,
handing
Malad,
over.
annexure Act,
We are staying, taking over, handing over, however, with a liberty to, with a permission or liberty to integrate these homes in terms of the scheme of the mission. That's all. That's all. This is we are giving you a handle.
Malad, to that my answer would be, Malad,
It's a liberty. You to act under the mission Shakti. It's not mission Shakti your
yes,
thing.
Malad.
You do. But don't throw them away like the way you are doing. It's in the mission Shakti hard. Just help me. Hard, Mr. Common order.
Lord.
Huh? Because some documents are here, some are order are same.
Lord.
Hard, Mr. Borthakur, Learned Counsel for the petitioner in WPC, item number 53. And Mr. P. Deka in WPC 20. The petitioners are NGOs. Just correct me, huh? Both NGOs running shelter homes for women in various districts of Assam under a scheme formulated by under two schemes formulated by Union of India, that is Sodhar Greh, SWADHARGREH, and Ujala, UJJAWALA, of the government of the Union of India since the year 1996. Such schemes were introduced in the year 1969. However, subsequently, it continued on in different names, and continued with amendment of the schemes. The petitioners are involved. These schemes are basically under Integrated Women Empowerment Scheme for safety, security, and empowerment of women. The petitioners are running shelter homes for these women, isn't it? Shelter homes for these women under the scheme. Under the schemes. Under the scheme. The grievance of the petitioner is a decision of the government dated
26 to
26
23 23 to
23 to 2024. Where is that? Give a copy.
Annexure D,
Yes. That is from where issued under the signature of Director, Women and Child Development, Assam. No, where is the closure? 31st, where is the term?
Not the second paragraph,
Okay.
31st month, as is good. Second. It should be mentioned.
Issued impugn order whereby all the existent Shakti Sadan currently being operated by NGOs is decided to be continued up to 31st of March 2024. And it was provided that the same will be taken over by government from 1st of April 2024. On as is where basis. It is the grievance of the petitioner that they are running the shelter homes for years, either
Decade.
Huh?
Decade, 1992 on.
decades, for decades. For decades, some you have rented homes from rented premises, and a part of financial assistance has also been provided by the central government and as well as the state government, and a part of such expenditure is being contributed by the NGOs themselves. And therefore, it is their grievance that the Union of India or state government cannot take over their homes in the manner that has been done by way of the impugned order dated 23rd of February 2024. From the scheme, from the Ujala scheme, mission, from the scheme of Mission Shakti, it is seen that the Union of India has taken a decision that proposal for new homes for states plus union territories only will be considered for financial assistance, and no funding support for construction of new homes will be provided. It was further decided that the cost of running as administrative plus management cost, including rental, will be provided. Further, all existing homes currently being run slash managed homes currently being run slash operated by NGOs will be permitted to run till 31st of March 2024, giving sufficient time to state plus union territories to get this integrated into the new scheme. It was further provided that the state will not be given any further time to any further request. It was
Extension
further
of time
provided that
to them.
no request of extension of time will be entitled. From the aforesaid, such scheme was notified when
14th of July 2020.
such Mission Shakti was notified on
14th July
14 July 2022. Thus, it is clear that the union government has given ample time to state authorities to integrate the existing NGOs with existing NGOs,
Homes of the
existing homes of the NGOs under Mission Shakti. Full stop. This court is a prima facie view that though it is provided that existing homes currently being run operated by NGOs NGOs are required to be integrated by 31/3/2024, and it is not a decision of the union to altogether close it down. Another aspect of the matter is that admittedly, these homes are being run by the NGOs from rented premises, rented premises, and in the process, they have also accumulated certain assets. Therefore, in the prima facie view of this prima facie view, such homes cannot be straightaway taken, cannot over in the manner that has been done by the by the state. Accordingly, it it is provided that the impugn order dated
23
23 to 20 shall remain suspended so far the same relates to taking over of the homes run by the petitioners, petitioner with a liberty to the Union of India as well as the state government to integrate the NGOs run by the petitioners under the mission under the mission. What?
So far as the five, eight, they don't.
Okay. দুটা paragraph নাহলে বেলেগ করে দিব
6, 8, 14, and
6 8
Just file an application.
I will delete this 6 8
14 and 8.
at very outset Mr. Bhattakur submits that petitioner number 6 8 14 and 18 would not like to pursue this petition. Accordingly, their name be deleted from the array of parties registered registry to the needful entity.
Well,
That is what we are saying. We have stayed the taking over.
taking over.
Taking over, we have stayed, and we have given them permitted to integrate in as per their scheme. They will not take over. If they do not integrate, you will run on your own. Now, but you will get this order tomorrow, huh? Not today. 31st still there. Is that right?
So the extra copy.
Extra, all will be there. Notice part, I have not dictated that notice, Sarma, except notice for respondent, state
15,
respondent.
my lord,
Huh?
in 53.
We'll look into
Yes.
all state respondents by madam. Union of India, nobody, none appears for it. You serve copy in the office of the
Senior copy.
senior, no, not senior government. That deputy solicitor. General.
I